everybody, welcome to the first episode of Mrs. Mistry's Mysteries. This week it's a science experiment. For this experiment you will need 4 glasses, some water, some vinegar and some boiled sweets. To make sure it's a fair test, all of the sweets are the same colour. Take 2 sweets and put them in 2 of the glasses. With the other 2 sweets you need to wrap them up or put them in a bag because we're going to crush them up and we don't want to lose any of them. Take a rolling pin and hit the sweets until it's all broken up. Then you can empty it into the other 2 glasses. Pour some water into 2 of the glasses, 1 with a whole sweet and 1 with a crushed sweet, making sure it's the same amount of water in each cup. Now do the same with vinegar. Set your timer and check on the experiment. I'm going to try every minute and see how we get on with that. What are your predictions for the experiment? Which one do you think is going to dissolve first? What's going to happen and why? Send your thoughts to us at the Year 4 email address.